Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a sleek bun, and I'm going to be using my Equal Style gel in the number 10. It is the coconut oil version, and I'm also going to be using my wonderful Equal Style Factor, the Edge Booster. I got it in Hot Shine. I also had to re-up on these products because I am running pretty low on them. So probably for this video, I'm just going to use what I have. I'm just going to start off by using, I'm going to start off by just taking a comb and simply parting my hair. And I know I have a big forehead, but pretty girls have big foreheads. So there you go. I'm just going to make sure it's... I kind of like to do a little curve, but nothing too major. Just making sure that it's kind of in place, because now we're about to put a whole glob of this Equal Style gel. I'm just going to probably honestly like use up the rest of this stuff and the Edge Booster, because I already went ahead to the beauty supply store. I bought some more. So you're just going to start sleeking back your hair. You're just going to put a whole shit ton in there. I'm not even going to lie to you. I freaking love this brush. This brush is amazing. I got it from Walmart. I think it was like $6. So I'm going to put some in the beginning of your edges. Just sleek back your hair.
They got kind of lost. I don't know. It doesn't really matter which side you do your part on. Whichever side of the head you think it looks better.
And I might do this honestly like another time. I meant like redo the ponytail is what I mean. But I just want to begin to part the hair and kind of twist it. I'm going to twist it up and into a circle. I wish I can show you guys, but I'm not going to. But just listen to what I'm saying. Just twist the ponytail. And then after you're done twisting it, kind of make it go into like a circle. Do it really tight too. Like I said, we might do it again though, because I'm a perfectionist. We got it. I'm going to turn around. It's not really cute, honestly. It's not anything special. Just put it into like a bun in it, but I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the Edge Booster. This is in the Hot Shine. And you just want to go ahead and start It's so nice. That's a little bit better. I just had a lot of stuff going on over there, so I think that wraps it up for this video. Like I said, just keep playing in your waves and just like figure out what you want to do for your own hair. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys get the point of it. I'm not really 100% good at explaining stuff, but hopefully you guys got the gist of it. I'll probably go back in and fix this side because I like the baby hair to be really predominant. That's just me. But yeah, guys, you have a beautiful night, and I'll see you in my next tutorial, okay? Bye.